Welcome to CrushTheStreet.com. It's been an interesting week. We saw the unconstitutional law, the Affordable Care Act, upheld by the U.S. Supreme Court. Cantor said the House will vote to repeal the health care law on July 11th.
We are committed to making sure that we can return to patient-based health care in this country, where we can keep costs low and we can increase access. And that's why when we return the week of July 9th, I've scheduled a vote for total repeal of the Obamacare bill to occur on Wednesday, July 11th.
Also this week, we saw the first sitting U.S. Attorney General to be held in contempt of Congress. Black House Democrats protested by leading a walkout during the contempt vote, seeing this serious charge as a race and partisan issue.
It can be uncomfortable to talk about this stuff, but I think you have to consider the possibility that there might be sort of, there might be an aspect of race and of culture to that, because, you have the Justice Department. Well, first of all, you have sort of, the caricature of Obama that sort of gets sold on the right a lot, is that he's this sort of secret black radical, and he's looking to sort of, maybe take away rights or take away the sort of, money from, from white people and redistribute it and that sort of thing.
We all know by now that playing the race card is the first thing a new lily-white anchor on MSNBC is supposed to do. However, continually bringing it up is the reason people want to see justice for a murdered Border Patrol agent.
Janet Reno was to be held in contempt in 1998, but she produced the documents that were asked regarding the impeachment of President Clinton. The Dow was down for most of the week, but we see a large spike so far today of about 280 points. The dollar has lost some strength versus the euro after an EU deal. Silver this week has been fairly volatile, almost breaking the $26 barrier where we may have seen it plunge even further, but luckily it is back with a vengeance, up over $1 today. So oil hit an 8-month low under $80 a barrel, but as the euro jumped, oil shot up after the EU deal. Oilprice.com is predicting a U.S. oil boom. They cite a study from Harvard that oil production is not the problem for price, but political decisions and geopolitical instability. The study found that gross global oil production from current fields could add another 49 million barrels per day to supply by 2020. A significant portion coming from North America, bringing the United States to number 2 position behind Saudi Arabia. Congress acted with only days to spare to stop student loan interest rates from doubling, but it changes the law so that interest is not deferred until after graduation. No matter what we do, we are in a sinking boat of debt and unemployment from the easy money policies of the last few decades.
We have $1 trillion in outstanding student loan debt. That's more than credit card debt. That is suppressing economic growth in this country. Because of these debts, those who are most likely to spend money aren't buying cars, they're not buying houses, they're not starting businesses, they're not starting families, they're not doing any of the economically stimulative things that we need all Americans to be doing right now if we're ever to dig ourselves out of the hole created by the greed of those at the very top. There's no economic stimulative effect of repaying these loans to the federal government. And colleges and universities have had no incentive whatsoever to keep their costs down. And we have now long passed the point at which tuition rates bear any reasonable connection to the salaries that one can expect upon graduation, if you can get a salary.
Thanks for watching. Please visit CrushTheStreet.com for more unconventional wisdom.
Thank you for watching this video created by CrushTheStreet.com. Visit our site today and receive our new free report on how to make a 1,000% return in the next 10 days.